Hello YouTube, it's Scout Tech, back at it again with another pack review. Today we'll be looking at the Levity 45 for men. This is from Osprey. This pack is one of the lightest packs ever created. Osprey also makes a women's version of this pack, and that's called the Lumina 45. We'll do another video on this pack in just a bit, but for now, let's take a look at this one. We'll start with the harness. The back is a nice trampoline style, making it very breathable. The hip belt extends from the back right here, and it's made of foam and mesh. The hip belt is a little bit thinner than most traditional packs, but that's the compromise for the extremely light weight of this pack. The hip belt is still comfortable, and it clips in at the front, right here. And then we also have pull forward adjustment straps, which is a nice touch. The shoulder straps are similar to the hip belt because they're made of foam and mesh, the same material. Again, these are very lightweight and very breathable. We've got a sternum strap here with a whistle, and it can be adjusted into one of three positions using these cord loops right here. We've also got load adjustment straps, which can be tightened to bring the load of the pack closer to your body. Overall, this harness is extremely breathable and light, without missing out on a whole lot of features. Let's take a look at the pockets now. We've got a lid pocket, which is fairly standard, just with a zipper up on the front. And then we also have a front staff pocket that has a clip here, and it's nice and big. The two side pockets are really impressive on this pack. They're absolutely ginormous. They consume this 1.5 liter Nalgene. These pockets are so big, we recommend that you put stuff like a rain jacket or any other gear inside them, because honestly, that much water isn't really necessary, so you gotta find another use for them. All these pockets have holes in the bottom for drainage, so your pack won't get absolutely waterlogged when it starts to rain. Just one thing to note with the side pockets is that they are open at the back, so don't try to chuck anything small and tiny in there because it might just fall out. The straps on this pack are fairly unique. To start, the larger straps are fairly thin, but very strong. They have buckles that are very lightweight, but still do the job, clipping in and out very fast. We have a lot of attachment points around this pack. We've got some down here, some over here, some up here, and they're all in the form of this little cord, blue cord. This blue cord also creates the compression system on both sides of the pack, and we thought this was fairly unique. So what happens is you pull on this cord right here, and cinch it using this cleat, and that brings the front of the pack closer to the back, which creates compression and reduces volume. You could also maybe attach hiking poles if you want to put the base in this massive pocket and then have the top affixed up here. The inside of the pack is under the lid, which comes off in these two buckles. We've got an interesting draw cord system here. It cinches in and out really easily. If you aren't 100% confident in that system, we've also got a clip on the inside just to keep it extra secure. And on the interior, there's nothing too special, but we do have a water bladder pocket. As you can see, we've attached bladder in there. And then there's also this clip, which keeps it in place. The fabric for this pack is extremely lightweight and premium. You'll notice that you can even see our orange inflation bag through the material at some points. The main fabric is 30D Cordura Sil Nylon Ripstop, and there is an accent of Nanofly 210D Nylon X 200D. This is a lot of mumbo jumbo, but basically what this means is that this is a fairly water resistant pack while also being extremely, extremely lightweight and very thin. So with that in mind, we advise that you take good care of this pack since it's very light and very thin, so rips are not too common, but if you're not careful, this fabric can puncture a rip very easily. So we just advise that you keep in mind what you're throwing in the pack and be careful with how you treat it. This pack is really meant for people who want the very lightest weight and they aren't afraid to lose some extra features in the process. The total weight for this pack is 1.852 pounds, so it's ridiculously light. Fast hikers, endurance enthusiasts, and minimalists will find this pack amazing for what they want to do. That being said, if you're just an average hiker, you might want to go with something a little more durable, a little more standard, and a little more comfortable. What do you think about the Levity? Do you think the lightweight justifies the price? Do you think they missed out on a big feature? We tried a different format for this video, so if you like the change, let us know. As always, subscribe if you want to see more, and we'll catch you in the next one.